Hey everybody, on this video we're going to sous vide cook a pork tenderloin from Butcher Box, and it's right down here, and it's currently frozen, and it's 1.2 pounds, and I'm going to go ahead and vacuum seal it. Well, first I'm going to open it and then put some salt on it, and I'm going to vacuum seal it, and we're going to sous vide cook it for 3 hours and 30 minutes at 135 degrees is how we're going to do it. And I'll show you at the end here how it turns out. And if you want to check out any of the stuff I'm using to cook here, like the bath or the cooker or vacuum sealer, that'll be links to the products on Amazon if you want to check any of that stuff out. So let me get this thing vacuum sealed here and we'll get it in the bath. Alright, so I got it salted and vacuum sealed, and I had to use the vacuum seal rolls. The pre-cut bags weren't big enough, so I'll put a link to some of the rolls too so you can check those. That's kind of good to have both. And you see it's still frozen. So now we'll go ahead and just get it kind of just jammed in my rack here to hopefully keep it from trying to float away. And we'll go ahead and get it into the bath. And I'm going to set a rack on top too, just to make sure it doesn't come out of the water. This thing is kind of a weird shape here. Get it wedged in there, and that should keep it locked in place. And we'll go ahead and just let it go here for 3.5 hours. And then when that time is up, we will check back in with it, and we'll show you what we got. All right, so our 3.5 hour cook time is up. Go ahead and plug here and get it out. Probably should use hot pad, a little bit hot, but oh well. And I'm just going to get this out of the way. All right, so go ahead and cut it open here. Alright, so this is what we're left with. Now you can sear this, I guess, if you want to. I normally sear all of my beef. I've never done one of these before, so I'm not going to sear it because it's pork. I think it'll be okay. We'll go ahead and we'll cut it open here. I'm going to be eating with barbecue sauce too, so you know, after the sauce is on it, it's not going to look weird like sous vide food sometimes does. And I'll probably link a video too of doing some steaks and stuff so you can see what I use to actually sear it. So I'm going to just cut a few pieces off. And this is 135, 3.5 hours. At this temperature, it should be like medium to medium rare, which is what I was going for. And get a piece right out of the middle here. Alright, so this is what we're left with. I'm going to keep cutting it up here. I'm going to actually just serve this with barbecue sauce and asparagus. So pretty easy. You just put some salt on the outside, and of course, if you thaw it out, you can season it better than that, but barbecue sauce will take care of it this time. And really, I guess that's all I have for this. If you have any questions or comments, just remember, if you're going to be mean, at least be funny. And I try to answer everything. So, send any questions, comments, put them in the comments. And I guess if you do want to check any of this stuff out, once again, check out the Amazon links. It does help the channel. And that's all I got. Well, I'll talk to everybody later.